Embarking on a spiritual journey is a deeply personal and transformative experience. It is a path of self-discovery, self-awareness, and spiritual growth. The spiritual journey allows us to connect with our inner selves, explore our beliefs, and find a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. It is a journey that can lead to profound healing, enlightenment, and a deeper connection with the divine. Starting a spiritual journey may seem daunting, but it is actually a simple and accessible process. It begins with a desire for change and a willingness to explore the depths of your being. Take some time to reflect on your life, your values, and what truly matters to you. Ask yourself meaningful questions like, "What is my purpose?" or "What brings me joy?" Once you have a clearer understanding of your intentions, set aside dedicated time each day to nurture your spiritual practice. This could involve meditation, prayer, journaling, or simply being in nature. Find activities that resonate with your soul and make them a regular part of your routine. Remember, the key to starting your spiritual journey is to be open-minded, patient, and gentle with yourself. Solitude is an essential aspect of the spiritual journey. It is during moments of solitude that we can truly connect with ourselves on a deeper level. In the silence and stillness of being alone, we can hear the whispers of our soul and tap into our inner wisdom. Solitude allows us to detach from the distractions of the external world and turn our focus inward. During moments of solitude, we can reflect on our thoughts, emotions, and experiences without judgment or interference. We can explore our fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs, and gain insights that can lead to profound personal growth and transformation. Solitude also provides the space for self-reflection, introspection, and the cultivation of self-awareness. It allows us to become more attuned to our intuition, our inner guidance, and the voice of our higher self. In a society that values constant connection, being alone can sometimes be seen as unusual or even undesirable. There may be a societal pressure to constantly be surrounded by others, to always be busy, and to seek external validation. However, it is important to recognize that the pushback from society stems from a lack of understanding of the power and beauty of solitude. Embracing solitude does not mean isolating oneself from others or becoming a recluse. It is about finding a balance between social interactions and spending quality time alone. It is about creating space for introspection, self-care, and spiritual nourishment. By understanding the importance of being alone, we can break free from societal expectations and honor our own unique path. Loneliness is often seen as a negative emotion, something to be avoided at all costs. However, on the spiritual journey, loneliness can be a powerful catalyst for growth and self-discovery. It is in moments of loneliness that we can truly confront ourselves and confront our deepest fears and insecurities. Rather than running away from loneliness, embrace it as an opportunity for introspection and self-reflection. Use this time to dive deeper into your spiritual practice and connect with your inner self. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that arise during moments of solitude and use them as stepping stones towards greater self-awareness and personal growth. Being alone on your spiritual path gives you the freedom to explore, experiment, and discover what resonates with your soul. It allows you to listen to your inner guidance without the distractions and opinions of others. The power of being alone lies in the ability to tune into your own inner wisdom and intuition, and to trust yourself completely. When you are alone, you can fully immerse yourself in your spiritual practices and rituals. You can create a sacred space that reflects your own unique spirituality. The power of being alone lies in the ability to connect deeply with your own soul, to find solace in your own presence, and to experience a profound sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Being alone on your spiritual journey offers a myriad of benefits. It allows you to cultivate a deeper connection with yourself, to develop self-reliance, and to foster a sense of independence. When you are alone, You have the freedom to explore your own beliefs, values, and spirituality without the influence of others. It also provides the space for self-care and self-nurturing. It allows you to prioritize your own needs and well-being, and to create a harmonious balance between your inner and outer worlds. Additionally, being alone on your spiritual journey can lead to greater clarity, insight, and personal growth. It offers the opportunity for deep introspection, healing, and transformation. Create a sacred space in your home where you can retreat to when you need time alone. This could be a cozy corner with cushions, candles, and soft music, or a peaceful outdoor area where you can connect with nature. Disconnect from technology and embrace silence during these moments of solitude. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or engage in creative activities that bring you joy and allow you to be fully present in the moment. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection during moments of solitude. Write down your thoughts, insights, and observations. Explore your dreams, aspirations, and the fears that may be holding you back. Through self-awareness, you can identify areas of growth, heal past wounds, and align your actions with your inner truth. If you are just starting your spiritual journey, it is important to approach it with an open heart and an open mind. Take small steps and be patient with yourself. Begin by exploring different spiritual practices and traditions that resonate with you. This could involve reading spiritual books, attending workshops or retreats, or finding a mentor or guide who can offer support and guidance. Remember, spirituality is a personal and individual experience. There is no right or wrong way to nurture your spirituality. Trust your intuition and follow what feels authentic and meaningful to you. Embrace the power of being alone and allow yourself to be guided by your own inner wisdom. While solitude is important on the spiritual journey, it is also beneficial to find support and guidance along the way. Seek out like-minded individuals who share your spiritual interests and values. Join spiritual communities or groups where you can connect with others who are on a similar path. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from one another. Finding a mentor or guide can also be invaluable on your spiritual journey. Look for someone who resonates with you and who can offer wisdom, guidance, and support. A mentor can help you navigate the challenges and uncertainties that may arise, and provide insights and tools to deepen your spiritual practice. Embracing solitude on your spiritual journey is a powerful and transformative choice. It allows you to connect with your inner self, cultivate self-awareness, and nurture your spirituality. Being alone provides the space for personal growth, healing, and transformation. It offers the opportunity to tune into your own inner wisdom and intuition, and to trust yourself completely. So, embrace solitude on your spiritual journey. Create moments of stillness and silence in your daily life. Listen to the whispers of your soul and follow the path that resonates with your heart. Trust that the power of being alone will guide you towards a deeper connection with yourself and a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. Start your spiritual journey now and unlock the transformative power of embracing solitude.